In this session, we are going to look at two Python concepts, positional arguments and keyword arguments. A positional argument depends on the parameter order. Each argument must be in the same position as the parameter. The keyword argument happens when we pass a name and a value pair to a function. Starting with the positional arguments, let's remove these default values, John and 38. Then add back one more argument. The name argument will be Jane. From the last session with default values, we know this is a problem because there is an age parameter, but no age argument. If we do not want to include an age argument, then we must include a default value. Let's run, and the console shows missing one required positional argument, age. Another problem is how we sort our arguments. In order, the parameters are name, then age. So our arguments should also have name before age. But if I write 18 before Jane, then the console will swap the values when I run. We see, hello 18, are you Jane? That's not right. So for positional arguments, our program expects the arguments to be in the same position as the parameters. However, the position does not matter if we use keyword arguments because a keyword argument is based on the key and value. The key is the name of the parameter. Age is the parameter, so that will be our key. Also, name is the parameter, so it will be our key. The values are 18 and Jane. Now, when I run this time, the console shows, hello Jane, are you 18? Make sure the key is spelled just like the parameter. If I misspell name and have the arguments for the argument, we see it's a problem. When I hover, we see unexpected arguments. It does not recognize NAM. Let me show you one more thing. We would not on purpose misspell name and have the arguments out of order, not on purpose. So when I do this here, by putting it in the correct order, name before age, and adding back the E, there is not a problem. But watch what happens when 18 is by itself as a positional argument after removing age equals the key. The error says positional arguments after keyword arguments. On the other hand, it's not a problem if the second argument is a keyword argument and the first argument is a positional argument. Just remove name equals. There is no error, but now I'm going to add back age equals. And it's not a problem when the keyword value is the second argument. Now when I run, there is no error and the console shows each value in the correct place. Hello Jane, are you 18? That's it for Python positional arguments and keyword arguments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session.